Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad S540. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found that your screen is completely unresponsive, you're not alone. This issue can happen due to a range of factors, including hardware failures or software glitches. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, such as permanent damage to the screen or even the device itself. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement screen compatible with the Lenovo Ideapad S540. Firstly, ensure you power off your device and disconnect it from any power source. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of the laptop. Start at one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is removed, locate the screen connector. It's usually found near the hinge area. Gently disconnect the cable by lifting the connector carefully with your tweezers. This can be a delicate process, so take your time. After disconnecting the cable, you will need to remove the screws securing the screen to the device. Make sure to keep track of the screws as they can be different sizes. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen out of its frame. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the screen removed, take your replacement screen and position it in place. Secure it by replacing the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the threads. After securing the new screen, reconnect the cable by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click. Before closing the back cover, it's wise to test the screen to ensure it's functioning correctly. Power on your laptop and check for responsiveness. If everything is working as it should, power it off again and proceed to reattach the back cover. Carefully press it down until it clicks into place, ensuring that no gaps remain. Finally, power on your device one last time to confirm everything is functioning well. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly update your device's software and handle it with care, avoiding any unnecessary pressure on the screen. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.